We're recording.
Hi, I'm Miracle and I'm back. I didn't want to let you guys miss out on this great opportunity on fashiontv.bigcartel.com, where you can go to curvycurve.net as well and get this, ladies. In 1X through 3X, we have the 20% spandex and the 5% spandex skirts. This is the first skirt that I'm going to show you, a tier skirt. Very nice. It has the creases. It has the layers in it. This is spandex. Don't forget, you are going to love it. You're going to look very nice in this. This is for the plus size women. So embrace your curves right here on Interactive Fashion TV. You heard it first and you're going to get it first from Harris Johnson, the CEO of curvycurves.net. We also have for you these beautiful, beautiful dresses. I love these dresses. I think these dresses are nice for going out on the town. They have the belt to go to it. When I show you this, you're going to go right now to interactivefashiontv.bigcartel.com, or you can go to curvycurves.net. This is very, very nice. Look at this. Look at this. I believe that we have this in in 1X. This is a 1X. So this is going to complement the curves. And you have the belt to go around the waist. Look at that. That is beautiful. With the studs on there, get it now. Don't miss out. We also have it in a burgundy. You got to make sure that you have choices. Remember, you get half off if you buy one, and if you buy two, you get one for free. Remember, half off if you buy one, and if you buy two, you get one for free, and you also get a free piece of jewelry to go with it. All right, this one is, actually, I want to tell you it's an accessory that comes with it. So you'll have your choices. This is the purple one. This is very nice. This also has the belt to go around the waist with the studs. You're going to just hook it in and you're going to go out and have a nice time wherever that event may be. You like to look classy, and this is the dress for you. So you heard it first here at interactivefashiontv.bigcartel.com. Go there. Put on your full swag. And I'm Miracle. And we'll be back. Stay tuned and stand by. Thank you. Hello, I'm closing out. So I want to let you guys know, make sure you remember that you can go to interactivefashiontv.bigcartel.com. This is a fashion alert super sale at bigcartel.com. Black Planet, stand up. Don't forget, we want to represent. I want to give a shout out to everyone following Harry Grant on Black Planet. Contact us. Tell us what you think. CEO of Curvy Curves. Clothing sizes 0 to 24. So get excited. You want to make sure you put on your full swag. We have jewelry, clothing, sunglasses. If it exists, Harry Grant can get it for you. All right, and remember, we also have the department store deep discounted closeout merchandise. Harris Johnson, CEO of Curvy Curve Clothing. Tell a friend and join now. InteractiveFashionTV.BigCartel.com. This is a fashion alert, super sale.BigCartel.com. Pre-order a new shipment, Coach bracelets, Polo Lady summer gear, Tiffany shopping handbag necklaces. I showed you that. Fashion alert, super sale.BigCartel.com is where you want to go to get all of this stuff. Until next time, I'm Miracle, and see ya.